we are just outside Charlotte, North Carolina. And we are headed into the big city. And we don't have any of the kids, any of the dogs.
Freedom.
And no trailer behind us.
We have freedom.
Freedom! You can hear that song, right? Freedom!
I don't think we haven't had freedom like for an evening.
Unless we were going to the grocery store.
Well, yeah, but that doesn't count. A night out. I don't even know when.
So the big occasion is we're meeting my sister and her spouse in the city. We're excited to see them. Haven't seen them in 6 weeks. So we're going in to hang out with them tonight. Hopefully the trailer's still there when we get back.
Oh gosh.
We've got to cut this video short because we don't have the air on for the noise and I am starting to sweat. Woo! Dash cam in the mini car.
Navigate.
Certainly looks like they've embraced the duct tape in their construction techniques, but the craft is going strong. A similar look to our last boat, the Steamboat Willie. They're making their way down the competition channel. Beginning to sink. Big stern squirt through sketch wave as the roof of the ark seems to be being dismantled.
So before we get started, I already have my two adventurous and well-coordinated volunteers. So these two are going to be up front. Basically what that means, with great fun comes great responsibility. As long as y'all two watch each other, paddle together. You want to go in the middle? Have you on the right side, you on the left side. No, I'm gonna have you on the left side. On the right side. Pretty sure I got it. Y'all ready to go rapid? Yeah! Woo! Give me just forward one. We're gonna Tokyo drift on in here, and then we're gonna hang out and start out. First little bit's all class 2, and then it's class 3 from there on out.
Then if I start to fall.
Here comes. There's Mom, he's here.
Alright, y'all wanna play a game out here? Let's play a game. Basic principle. Whoever gets the most wet wins. Spin it! Go, 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 go! Right side back. Left side forward strokes. Forward strokes left side. There you go. Get down, get down, get down, get down. Oh, good job.
Scary. I was not expecting.
Y'all ready? Well done!
I'm nervous. I'm cold.
It's about to get real.
Here we go.
This is trip number 2 and trip number 1.
Has everyone here been rafting before?
No.
No, not everyone.
We have.
I'll be on the same one. I want to be on.
Falling in part for sure. Getting that part. SOL on that one.
Okay, so Mom, put your foot in that crease. Right there. Your foot in that crease.
This was fun.
Mom, you gotta put your foot in the water. Mom,
It's gonna go under here. Oh, it's getting wet, honey.
I don't want to put my foot in the water. We haven't even started yet.
It ain't gonna matter.
Can I wait till we start? Well, Dad didn't buy me rentals.
Hey.
Hey.
My grandpa.
What?
Yeah. I feel like I could go stronger if I was on the other side.
I know. My foot's already wet. Want to switch, Mom?
Wait, should we not have two kids on the same side?
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
No, I didn't. You're volunteering. She believed it. Mom,
What?
Chloe will switch me. She's only volunteer. No, I'm in front.
We're in front, dude. We're doing it.
She volunteered. She was Dad, me and you.
No, you said
They're a pack.
little bump. Get down, you go like okay, like calm down. I didn't mean going that good down. I was down. I didn't know how in the hole. Okay. Jeez.
Just get in, you got shafted.
Put your foot right here so you don't go out.
I can go scuba diving. I nailed that in the head with my
She said I let go of my T grip for the K grip.
The KO.
No, you still left behind. Yeah, she's like, I'm breaking all the rules.
They lost two people. Hey guys, we lost no people. I hope I didn't get the way that went in did not look at it. You see her face, she was like, I think he's like, that's it, get her out of here. Something like this.
Grab my battle, just grab her.
We still have no people in the water because we technically didn't leave the boat.
I did fire from
Okay, switch.
Who grabbed my leg?
The footage, you hit that
Grab your body. I don't know who grabbed
You were split out like
just save me. The only reason we stayed up is I had your leg, but somebody had my vest. And then Derek used me as leverage to get to you.
Make sure
He's gonna get stuck under the water while we held on to you, so I almost let go.
like, are we gonna drag her along right now and slowly to her down? Or are we gonna let her go?
I would have kicked you in the face if that happened. Don't worry. No, I'm just kidding.
I would have. Oh gosh. Oh jeez.
One back. One back. Oh, that was beautiful.
Yeah, we made some perfect.
Kids didn't know it, but Poe had us on a list to go back to the family room and hang out with all the friends and family of the players, which included getting to high five and see all of them.
The cool thing is Merrick's always wanted his name on a list. So we had him walk up to the lady with the clipboard and give his name, and they let him in, and he just was so excited.
In a previous conversation, we were asking Merrick, have you ever had your name on a list to get in somewhere special? And he was all disappointed, like, no. So when he had his name on a list today, he was pretty stoked.